The Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to simplify cooking while delivering delicious, healthier meals. With its spacious 26-quart capacity, it accommodates family-sized portions, making it perfect for roasting, baking, dehydrating, and air frying. This all-in-one appliance combines the functionality of an oven, toaster, and air fryer, using rapid air technology to cook food with less oil while maintaining crispiness and flavor. Featuring a digital display, preset cooking functions, and adjustable temperature controls, it ensures precision and convenience. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet feast, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer brings efficiency and creativity to your culinary endeavors. The best features of the Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer is packed with features that make it a standout kitchen appliance. Its 26-quart capacity is perfect for cooking large meals, accommodating entire chickens, pizzas, or multiple servings at once. The air fryer combines 10 preset cooking functions, including air fry, bake, toast, and dehydrate, offering versatility for various recipes. Its rapid air circulation technology ensures crispy, evenly cooked food with minimal oil, promoting healthier eating. A sleek digital touchscreen makes operation intuitive, while adjustable temperature and timer controls provide precision. The stainless steel design adds durability and elegance, and its accessories, like a rotisserie spit and drip tray, enhance cooking convenience. This air fryer is a powerful, all-in-one solution for any kitchen. Why is the Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer better than other air fryers? The Emeril Lagasse 26QD Extra Large Air Fryer stands out from other air fryers due to its exceptional size, versatility, and functionality. Its 26-quart capacity can handle family-sized meals, unlike many smaller air fryers. This appliance combines multiple cooking methods, such as air frying, baking, roasting, and dehydrating, reducing the need for additional devices. Its rapid air technology delivers evenly cooked, crispy results with minimal oil, promoting healthier eating. The digital touchscreen and 10 preset functions offer convenience and precision for a variety of recipes. Additionally, its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while included accessories like the rotisserie kit provide added versatility. For those seeking an all-in-one, spacious, and efficient cooking solution, this air fryer is a clear winner.